Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Ham is best reheated low and slow, and heating it uncovered means that the moisture in the ham evaporates, leaving it dry and unappetizing. Right pointing arrow follow this tip. Place the ham cut side down in a baking pan. Cover the ham with foil or use a baking bag to heat up the ham until it's time to glaze. 31 March 2015.
Let's help you make your mark.
Whole hams should be cooked fat side up. Cover pan tightly with aluminum foil. And to make sure your ham is baked perfectly, this handy chart will help with cooking times based on ham size and weight. It's important that you don't overheat it in the oven or your ham could end up dry instead of juicy.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.